All right, guys, we are going to do probably 2 more days on triangles and Pythagorean theorem and trig functions. Next week we'll start something maybe a little different. I just want to review a few things with you really quick, okay? So when you have a right triangle, and I'm going to call this triangle A, B, C. The side across from the 90-degree angle, this is always your hypotenuse. Always. Let's say that theta is right here in this corner. When we look at sides for this, opposite is when you look across. Adjacent is the side that is not the hypotenuse that touches the angle. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse, so it can't be anything else. So therefore, this is the adjacent side. Okay. We have that mnemonic that we can remember, SOHCAHTOA, which tells us that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. Okay? Sometimes we have to put two things together to find our answer, like you saw in that the last problem of Monday's work, where you had to find the hypotenuse first before you could put it in. Say we do that. Okay, what is the Pythagorean theorem? We label our triangle as is. Remember, our Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay, so let's do one example real quick. Say you have a triangle that is a right triangle, and I tell you that this is 4 and this is 5, and I want you to find sine of A. Okay, we know sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite of A is 5. What is the hypotenuse? We don't know. We got to find out. So we're going to put it in the Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared would be 4 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. So we don't know what that is. We're finding that. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. 16 plus 25, what is that? 41. Double check our math there, yeah. Now we take the square root. So c would equal the square root of 41. I don't have my calculator handy, but square root of 41 is just fine. All we do is come over here and say that the hypotenuse is the square root of 41. So sine is 5 over the square root of 41, and you're done. Okay? If you have questions over any of this, please reach out to me. Let me know. I will walk you through it. Good luck.